Hey guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Welcome to our channel. Please don't continue this video if you haven't subscribed. Please go back and subscribe, and for the ones who've subscribed, thank you so much and welcome to another video. So today we are doing something a bit different, something out of the kitchen, and something that I love doing. I love farming, both like vegetable and all that, fruit and everything, farming, and also I'm also kind of interested in animal farming, that is chicken and maybe goat keeping, cow keeping and everything. So we've been keeping chicken at home for quite some time, but apparently I don't know anything about chicken rearing. So today I had to get hold of my little brother to explain to me basically what happens, or just in a general overview what happens, or how to keep chicken, how to feed them, what to do, what measures to take, what's the best way to do it. So I want you guys to come with me to this video and watch until the end. You learn some things, I'm sure, and be sure to try them out. Be sure to try chicken rearing, and let's see how it goes. So let's get right into it. Tell us what you're doing. What is this, and what is the difference between these two gunias?
Yeah, so this is wheat.
Let me see.
This is wheat. You see?
That's wheat. Uh-huh.
So this is wheat, and this is, what is it called? Maize bran.
Maize bran.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Maize bran. We always call it wishwa.
Wishwa.
Yeah. So this is maize bran. Yeah, and you mix them together.
In what ratios?
In equal ratios. So it can be 2 to 2, 4 to 4. How depends on how many chickens you have.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you're using how many jugs, and how many chickens do you have?
I'm using 4 to 4, and you don't know how many chickens you have.
You have so many that you don't know. Okay. So maize and wheat, mixture of maize and wheat. And what type are your chickens? Are they broilers or kienyeji?
They are mixed grade.
Mixed grade?
They are both kienyeji and they are both grade. So somewhere there.
Oh.
They big.
So is there like a difference of the feeds for kienyeji and the broilers? Like, can broilers feed on this?
Yes.
Broilers plain?
Yes, they can feed.
They can feed on that?
Yes.
And kienyeji, do they have specific feeds that they use?
Kienyeji, no. Kienyeji also takes, but kienyeji mostly they search for food themselves.
Oh, so this is just extra?
Yes.
Or what?
No, see, because we are keeping them, and we want them to grow more and better, so we feed them.
Oh, so how many times do you feed this to them?
Sometimes 2, sometimes 1. It depends.
On what?
If the food is there, if they still are hungry.
Now how will you know if they are hungry?
I know. I don't know how to explain that.
What do you mean? Explain for me to understand.
No, I just said that I don't know. Like, you can just see.
What do they do now?
They follow you around. Yeah, mostly they follow you around.
But see, they follow everyone around every time, so that means they're hungry every time.
Not all the time. When now I give them food, they not follow you.
Okay, let's go. So this is the chicken house, and these are the chicken. So what do you do from here? You just mix it?
Yes, I just mix it.
So they're doing this just to distract them so that they can be able to put food there, because if we put the food while they were inside there, they would have like caused some commotion. So we're just doing this to distract them so we can put the food there. Look at what these chickens are doing. Did you know chickens can fly? Fly, oh, fly. What are these things called? Which ones are feeders?
Drinkers. Feeders.
These ones?
Yeah, these are feeders.
These are feeders. Because you put the food here, then they feed from here. These are feeders. They come in different types. This is aluminium. Or what is this? Iron. Aluminium. This is plastic. From here. So these are feeders, and then these are drinkers. Because they use this to drink. Chicken drinker. So you guys know hygiene is key. So you have to clean thoroughly before refilling the water. So do you put anything on the water, Ama? It's just plain water?
No, you put meat. For them, now we put medicine because they show some signs of sickness.
Oh, so you have to treat the water?
Yeah.
What do you treat it with?
There's some medicine I'll show you.
Okay. So hygiene is key. We are washing. Then we fill these things with water, with treated water. And then we give them to feed. This is the medicine they use to treat their water. Yeah, it's for cows and chicken and generally poultry, amani, livestock. Yeah. So how much do you use for how much water?
I use it for, it says 100 grams per 200 liters of water, drinking water. So 200 liters is a lot of water. So I usually use, is it 1 gram?
1 gram?
No, is it 4 grams? I use 4 grams.
For 1 liter?
For 10 liters.
For 10 liters?
Yeah,
okay.
4 grams for 10 liters. So 4 grams, let's say a teaspoon.
Oh, a teaspoon.
A teaspoon of this.
Teaspoon or tablespoon? Table. Teaspoon? Okay.
Teaspoon.
So.
And so, for now, we don't have the what is it called? Ndoo for using. So, and the teaspoon, I'll just measure with my hand.
That thing is not poisonous. You're touching it with your hand.
No, if it could be poisonous, it could have already killed the chicken.
But what chickens take is not what humans take.
No, but we are all animals. Then you just mix it with water.
Oh. So, and then, do you put any treatment in the food? Any medicines?
You can, but we don't.
Oh, this is just enough. So by the end of the day, all this water should be gone?
Yeah, it just love it. It always goes.
Oh, so they drink a lot of water.
Yeah, because we're in Mombasa.
Hydrate. In Mombasa it's quite hot, so they get dehydrated and they need water. Guys, just like any other living creature, we need vitamins. So these are the vitamins for the... Wait, Ezra. Vitamins for the chickens. And this is usually used after every 5 days. So after 5 days, you mix this with water. Yeah, the same way we used this is the same way we'll use this, but this is used after every 5 days. So yeah, take care of your chicken and they'll take care of you. Hiya, let's go in. So who stays here? Which chickens stay here?
Mother and children.
How many mother and children do you have?
For now, one.
One. Why do you separate them?
Because it's a mother and children. And the children.
They'll be bullied.
No, we want them to have comfortable space and to be able to grow them well.
Oh. Okay. So these are the mother and children. These cute little things. So this is the second room. Who are kept here?
These are, let's say, teenagers. They're from being with their mother, so after it's just like them. After they're from being with their mother, they will come here.
Oh.
These will go out to the world.
After how long?
Until you see them, they become mature.
Oh, okay. So, what about these ones?
These are the sicklings.
Huh?
Sicklings.
Oh, these are the sicklings. So what happens when they get out of this place?
It's just you want to separate them from there so they cannot spread.
Oh.
Just like that.
Okay. This thing is so small. Hi. Hiya. Unaweza shika kuku. Eh. So now you're putting the feed. Mixed mash. Oh, it's cold water. So he mixes it with water just to make it compact and like not spill over everywhere. So yeah, it will be mashy. Mashy. Just a little water, not too much. It shouldn't be runny. It should just be what is it now? Sticky, not what? Yeah. The struggle is real. So comment down below if you have any experience in chicken rearing or any type of livestock rearing that you have experience in. Tell us if you have new tips, if you have more things that you can do, just leave them in the comment section below. Yeah, and let's interact. Tell us how you found the video, what points did we miss, what should we do different to our chicken. If you have an idea, just leave them all at the comment section below. That's hungry there was. So the teenagers are fed from here. Why? Why?
The means of eating for them.
Oh. Si waoga. Nani matini. They say rearing kienyeji chicken is easier than the broilers. Or is it the other way around? What do you think?
I'm not that expert, so I can't say that I know a lot, but me can say kienyeji is better. Because broilers, I hear they eat a lot of food.
Oh, so these ones eat less food?
Yeah, so ile broilers you must feed them. Kienyeji you can just open the door and they'll be okay.
They can eat anything?
Yeah, they can search for themselves food.
Oh.
Yeah, I think, for me kienyeji is better.
So basically, what is the basic chicken care, yani? If you want to put chicken or if you want to rear chicken, what should you put into consideration?
For considerations, the main thing, if you want to have better chicken, just give them enough food and water, and the place where they stay should be clean. Hygiene. Yeah, hygiene.
And that's why you even put some medicine on their water.
Yeah.
Just to maintain their hygiene, you give them. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. I hope you learned something. Bye.